Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if an iPhone is brand new. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now we're going to check a couple different things in the settings. So let's open that up and we'll just scroll down and tap on General here. And then at the very top, let's tap on About. Now you can see here right under model name is model number. And you want to take note of the very first letter. So you can see my model number starts with the letter M. So take note of what letter it starts with. And if we open up this really useful guide, it says on here, pay careful attention to the model number. If the model number starts with an M, like it does for me, it was purchased new from Apple. If it starts with an F, it has been refurbished. If it starts with a P, it's been personalized. And if it starts with an N, it's a replacement device for a malfunctioning iPhone. So if you want to see if it's brand new, it should say the letter M at the very beginning of that model number. Now, another thing you want to check, because it could be that it's M, it was a new phone, but it was maybe a few months old, a year old, something like that. So we're also going to check the serial number. So let's copy and hold, tap and hold to copy that serial number. Open up a web browser and we will just type in Apple serial number lookup. So you can see at the very top is check coverage. So let's tap on that. And we're going to see the exact purchase date of this iPhone. So I can paste in this serial number. And then just enter in this code here. So it is 92FET and hit submit. Now, the cool thing is it says iPhone 14 Pro. That's this phone. And the purchase date was April 2023. So, of course, check that to see if it is brand new. It will show you when this phone was originally purchased from Apple. And you'll be able to know, is it a month old, a few months old, a year old, multiple years old, anything like that. I hope this helps. If it did, please consider subscribing down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks.